Yeah, so hello everyone. Today in this video we will be looking into one of the problems called rectangle area. So in this problem, what will be given is you will be given eight variables. I mean that will be the coordinates of the two rectangles, and according to those variables you will have to find the overlapping areas. As you can see in the image, this black one is the overlapping areas of the given rectangles. So we have to calculate those areas, but before finding the overlapping areas we first have to rule out the non-overlapping case of the rectangles. So so when these rectangles will not overlap, suppose when these conditions are met, right? When these conditions are met, then the rectangle will not overlap, right? So let's say this one as 1 2 4 and 5. So first, what will be the condition for 1 and 2? So for 1 and 2, we can simply say that when d is less than or equals to what? E, sorry, my bad. When c is less than or equals to E, right? When this is the case, then this will not overlap. 1 will not overlap to 2. Then for 2 and 3, what will be the condition? For 2 and 3, we can say when G is less than and equals to A, right? Similarly, for the vertical condition, what I can say? I can say that this D, for 4 and 2, I am saying D is less than or equals to F. For 2 and 5, what we can say? We can say that F is greater than, sorry, not F, B. B is greater than or equals to H. When these conditions are met, then these are not non-overlapping condition. Right? So in this case, this will not overlap, right? So what we can, so if these conditions are met, this rectangle will not overlap. If rectangle will not overlap, then obviously area will become what? 0. So we can directly return the area if these conditions are met. Now you must be wondering that if 1 will take the place of 2 or 3 will take the place of 2, what will happen? Then if you will see 1, 2 and 3 all together, then actually that condition is already met. When 1 is only taking the place of 3, right? Then obviously 2 is coming to the left of the 3. And when 3 is taking the place of 1, then obviously 2 is going to the right of the 1. So I think similarly in the 2, 4 and 5 case, same thing. So means this 4 condition is covering your all non-overlapping condition. Now here we will try to find out the length of the overlapping case, right? Length here we will try to find out. So in the, let's call this as, okay, in this first image, how we can find the, what will be the condition? We can say that when E is greater than A and G is less than equals to C, then we can say that this will be this length of the rectangle 1 is inside the length of the rectangle 2. Similarly, this can be reversed as well. inside rectangle may outside and outside rectangle may come inside, right? So this condition will be simply reversed, right? So what it will become? It will become A is greater than equals to E and C is less than equals to what? G. So in this case, what will be the length? Length will be from E to G, right? E minus G. Similarly, here what will be the length? A minus C, right? Now we will see these two cases. So in this case, what will be the condition? If H is greater than what? If H is greater, G is greater than C and E is greater than A, right? Here will be G is greater than equals to C and E is greater than equals to A, then length will be what? C minus E. Similarly, this rectangle can be reversed as well, right? As you can see here, from left to right, whatever is there in the left, that may go to the right and right may come to the left. So in that case, what will be the condition? The condition will be swapped. So the condition will be C is greater than equals to G and A is greater than equals to E. So the length will become what? G minus A. So these are the four conditions for the length to find the length of the rectangle, right? Similarly, we will see the width of the rectangle. So for this case, what will be the condition? For this, we can say that when H is greater than D and B is greater than F, then width is equals to D minus B, right? Similarly, inside rectangle may go outside, outside rectangle may come inside. So the condition will be reversed. B, then what will be the width? F minus H, right? And if you will closely see these two condition and these two condition, what it will form? It will give the result for this case, right? It will give you the result for rectangle inside the rectangle. So now comes this one, outside one. So for width, what we can compare as we have done in the length case, similarly we will do for the width. So what we will do, when H is greater than equals to D and F is greater than equals to B, then width is equals to D minus F. Similarly, this will be reversed as well. D is greater than equals to H and B is greater than equals to F, then width is equals to B minus H. This will be the condition. So all 8 condition all together will give. For width, we will run separate if else, and for length we will run separate if else, and then we will find the length and width, and what will be the area? Final area will become what? Math.abs L cross math.abs width, and we will return the area. Okay, so hope you have understood this. There must be a little bit you might be getting confused in left, right, up and down, but actually if you will see once analyze the this figures on yourself now, then you will come to know that all these conditions are being made properly, because when left things will go to the right, then obviously right thing will come to the left, and up thing when comes to down, then down thing obviously goes up. So that's what is happening in these scenarios. So coming on to the code, I will say I don't think that my code is required for you if you have understood this condition. If you really want, then I have attached my code in the description. You can go and check it there. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.